Welcome to Have Fun WV. We're all fueled up. It's time to go. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! It is the Atlantic League Professional Baseball, the ALPB. It is the championship round. It is the Charleston Dirty Birds versus the York Revolution. Say hi to Dave. Hi, Dave. Yep, there you go. Yep, on the big show, talking about, of course, the playoffs and of course the championship round. It's a big deal. We're hoping everyone comes out. Yay! Dirty Birds. Dirty Birds. There you go.
So we're fired up. The community and the support is literally second to none. I mean, when we were in Gastonia last week, that might as well have been a home Charleston Dirty Birds game. So the support is through the roof amazing.
The Dirty Birds are the only professional game in town. So I'm anxious to see how they do with expectations around the community. And then the second thing that appeals to me a great deal are the characters involved. You know, the manager of the team won a championship in the Atlantic League just a few years ago when the Lexington Legends were created along with the Dirty Birds, then the Power. That to me is really interesting, and it's a great credit to the organization, great credit to PJ Phillips, and it's something I'm anxious to see play out.
Here we are, we're in the championship round.
Yep.
First time Charleston's been in it since 2008.
Yep.
16 years.
16.
And you were here for that.
Yep.
Been a long time. Are you excited?
Yep. Yep.
He's excited, folks.
But I gotta run.
You gotta run?
Yeah.
You got the runs?
Maybe.
I'm in the first practice.
Yeah, now it's going to be a tough series with York here, and
That's right.
win tomorrow, win today, win tomorrow, and then win Friday, and then we're champs.
It'll be the first time we win the championship in Charleston, West Virginia since 1990.
It's a very long time. We're due for one.
I think we're due for one. We were called the Charleston Wheelers. Were you even born yet?
1999 I was born.
Yeah, you weren't even born. You were -9 last time we won a championship here in Charleston. Yeah, I graduated high school then, folks.
It's a long time. I think the Dirty Birds can do it.
I hope so. So let's see what they can do.
Alrighty.
Yay. The lemon cake. Wow. And you made this? Wow.
Yep.
Why'd you make lemon cake today?
Because we made it to the championship.
That's it. We made it to the championships, game 2, our last home game here.
And we're gonna win.
And we're gonna win because we have lemon cake.
Heck yeah.
That's right. Nice. Let's do this. All right. Signifying the season we've had here in 2024. What do you think? Last game here was fun or fun?
Not so much fun.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's wet. It's very moist.
Very moist game. Yes,
Moist.
yes.
If
we can win 2 on the road, we can win
You
3 on the
believe?
road.
We could win.
We can win. You believe we can win?
I believe we can win.
Not really.
I believe that we can win. 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 Dirty Birds! Let's go, Dirty Birds! Let's go! The Dirty Birds are up 1-0 in the bottom of the ninth. Now it's up to our closers to get it done. Dirty Bird!
Last 3 days sucked, but it was a great season. South Division champs. Great season. Go Dirty Birds.
Most exciting season since 2008, the last time we won a division championship to get to the league championship series. So close. David LeBron in the last 3 weeks getting us into the playoffs, helping us win last week, and really putting us on the precipice of being able to win tonight. Tough loss, but great season.
Go Dirty Birds!
And I think we can win it all next year. We just have to set our minds to it. So
1000%, folks.
but
York Revolution finished their story. Now it's time for the Charleston Dirty Birds to finish ours. And we're just getting started. We got a whole lot more to share, so stay tuned. We want to take this time to thank our sponsors. Hey fans, you want to help us continue the fun? Go ahead and sign up today on patreon.com/HaveFunWV, and we will always thank our Patreon sponsors. Fans, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're looking for one of the best teams in the Atlantic League, we're right here in Charleston, baby. Remember to always have fun. See you next season. Yeah, baby! Woo! Let's go, Dirty Birds! Yeah!
Eso!